See that tail light? It's coming out. How? I will show you. Does it have a button? Does it have a button? We got a brand new. Ooh, we do have a button. Yay. We have two tools, 10 mil and a drill. Check. This guy. Check. Link is always in the description. And we're going to show you how to take this puppy apart. Now look. Quite easy. There's actually indents in the actual tail light. See that little groove right there? That's where you put your little tool right there. These guys would hold it in. That's it. 2 10 mils. Let's get them out. And 1. And 2. Ready? We're just gonna pull straight out, and there you go. We got a one-hander, baby. That plug goes into that hole. That guide goes into this little groove. And there you have it. As far as bulbs, I doubt there's anything in this thing. So let's see. Let's unplug it and see what happens. No idea what this is. Look at this thing. I guess this does everything. It's awesome. What is this guy? Gen 3. All right, yeah. So I squeezed and pulled. I squeezed here and pulled. Now this puppy turns like most bulbs. Now what this is, I guarantee something to do with data, and it does all your other functions. This guy looks like it's the reverse light, but I don't know. What is this over here? It also looks like a reverse light. So who knows? So we're gonna put this guy back and put it all back because you're the one who took it out. So let's see if we can find the guy that goes downward. So let's put this guy back in, twist him back in. There you go. Twist. Plug him back in. Put it back in. There you go. 2 10 mils. 2 10 mils. Cover goes back, and we will say sayonara with all the good intent. So like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.